In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple chart layouts in TradingView. We'll focus on the core workflow that makes multi-chart setups efficient, using indicator templates so your layouts stay consistent and easy to manage. Start by opening TradingView in your browser and heading to your chart. Being logged in helps because your templates and preferences are saved to your account. Once your chart is open, look to the top toolbar and find the indicator templates icon. This is where you'll control which indicator sets are applied to a chart, and it's the key to keeping multiple charts aligned without repetitive setup. Click the indicator templates icon, then choose Open Template. This opens a panel where you can quickly load a saved set of indicators. Think of a template as a reusable bundle. Your moving averages, oscillators, volume tools, and the exact settings you prefer, all applied in one click. Use the search field to find what you need fast. If you've named templates clearly, like day trading MTF or swing fib plus RSI, you can type a keyword and pull it up immediately. A quick naming tip: include the strategy and time frame in the name so you always pick the right template at a glance. Next, select My Templates to filter down to the templates you've saved. This keeps things simple and avoids confusion with anything you haven't tested. If you're building out a multi-chart layout, keeping a clean library of your own templates is what makes the whole system scale. You'll also see categories like technicals and financials. These help you browse different template types. Technicals collect indicator-focused setups, while financials lean into fundamental or company-related views. Exploring these can give you a head start before you create your own versions. When you've found what you want, click the template to apply it to the active chart. The indicators will load instantly with your saved settings. If you're working in a multi-chart layout, make sure the chart you intend to modify is active before you apply the template. Then repeat for the other charts if you want them to match. This is how you get a synchronized professional layout without manually rebuilding each pane. A couple of final tips. Avoid overloading templates with too many indicators, as that can slow your charts and muddy your signals. Keep a few purpose-built templates instead of one that tries to do everything. And whenever you refine your setup, save it as an updated template so every chart in your layout stays consistent. That's it. Simple, fast, and powerful for multi-chart workflows.